Alright, so we out here, Santa Barbara. You know, I always thought about this. You start the day dancing, you feel way, way better. So here we go. We're starting the day dancing. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. He doesn't like to dance because he's a loser. Got to the studio, about to make some tunes, hanging out with this young feller right here. Say what's up to the Frederick McFredster. Alright, some new shit right here. Unreleased, never been seen. Oh shit! What's happened?
Got lenses on lenses.
Oh shit, lenses on lenses on lenses?
But then let's look at something up close and pretty. Like a fucking...
This is the studio right here, look at this.
Anything up close.
This is my little nook right here where all the magic goes down. I failed that one, alright. Nosotros bebemos agua. We drink water. Boom! That's what's up right there. All she wrote, gonna just watch a little bit of surfing. Hopefully have some dreams about surfing. Yeah. Oh. Boom.